You know that feeling endlessly scrolling through search results, trying to piece an answer together? Well, what if you could just get the answer directly? What if you could brainstorm ideas or even write an entire script in just a few seconds? Today, we're going to stop talking about the theory and get our hands dirty with one of the most powerful AI tools out there, ChatGPT. This is your practical guide to getting started right now. All right, so here's the game plan. First, we'll see why ChatGPT is so much more than just a fancy search engine. Then, we'll walk through getting your free account set up. After that, the real fun starts with 2 live demos. We'll turn it into a personal coach and then a creative partner. And to finish, we'll wrap up with some pro tips so you can get amazing results from day one. Let's do it. We've all been there, right? You have a question, you pop open a search engine, but that's just the beginning of a long hunt for the real answer. What if we could just skip that whole hunt? Think about it like this. A regular search gives you a list of doors. You still have to open every single one, poke around inside, and try to piece the puzzle together yourself. ChatGPT just builds the answer for you right on the screen. It's the difference between being handed a map and having your own personal guide who already knows the way.
Okay, so if it's not a search engine, what in the world is it? Honestly, the best way to think about ChatGPT is as your own personal assistant, one that can brainstorm, write, code, and strategize whenever you need it to.
At its heart, ChatGPT is a conversational AI. You give it an instruction, we call that a prompt, and it writes back with this incredible human-like detail. But here's the real magic. It's a genuine conversation. It remembers what you said before, it understands the context, and it can build on your ideas with every single message you send.
And the sheer range of what it can do is just mind-blowing. Stuck on a tough study question? It can explain it. Facing a creative block? It'll brainstorm with you. Need to summarize a super long, dense report? It'll do it in seconds. From helping you write code to translating languages, it's like having a team of specialists right at your fingertips.
Now, you might be thinking this all sounds a bit complicated to set up, but it's actually incredibly easy. Let's just walk through it right now. You can literally be up and running in the next 2 minutes. Seriously, it's this simple. First, just do a quick search for ChatGPT. The most important thing is to go to the official website, chat.openai.com. Once you're there, just sign up with your email. That's it. The basic version is totally free to use. Okay, account created. Now we get to the really fun part. Let's put this thing to work. For our first demo, we're going to turn ChatGPT into a personal nutrition coach. Now, look very closely at how we wrote this prompt. We didn't just say, give me a meal plan. No, we gave it a role, act as a nutrition coach. Then we layered on all the important context, protein-rich, vegetarian, for an Indian student, his schedule, his stats, his goals. The more specific you are, the better the results will be. This right here is the secret sauce. And boom, here's the result. It's not just some random list of foods. It's a structured daily schedule that actually takes the user's entire lifestyle into account. It even gives you protein estimates. This is a personalized, actionable plan, and it was created in, 5 seconds? But, okay, what if you look at the plan and you don't like something on it? This is where that conversational power really shines. You don't have to start all over again. You just ask for a change. We just follow up with a simple message. I don't like curd. Give me other options. And instantly, it gives us a whole list of alternatives. The amazing thing here is that it remembered everything else, the user's goals, their diet, their schedule, and it only changed that one little thing we asked for. So we know it can be a coach, but can it actually be creative? For our next demo, let's start a brand new chat and treat it like a creative partner to help us brainstorm some social media content. See, we're using that same strategy. We start by giving it a role, act as a professional scriptwriter. Then we get super specific about the goal. 10 time-unique ideas for the tech tips and phone hacks niche. Let's see what it comes up with. And there they are. These aren't just topics, they're headlines. The hidden button on your phone. You're charging your phone wrong. These are designed to be scroll-stopping hooks, which is absolutely perfect for short-form video. This is awesome, but ideas aren't enough. We need an actual script. So we pick our favorites and ask for the whole thing. And look at how we add even more details. A specific length, a mix of Hinglish for the language, and of course, a catchy hook. And would you look at that? It's not a block of text, it's a completely structured, ready-to-film script. You've got your hook, you've got your main points, And you even have a call to action at the end to get more comments. That is a complete content package right there. Okay, you've seen two pretty powerful examples of what's possible. To wrap this up, let's go over a few essential pro tips that will help you get the absolute most out of every single chat you have.
If you remember only one thing from this entire explainer, please make it this. The quality of the answer you get depends completely on the quality of the question you ask. Vague questions get you vague answers. So be specific, give it context, assign it a role. The more detail you feed to AI, the more powerful its response is going to be.
Now, while ChatGPT is amazing with different languages, we saw it right in English, right? It's just good to know that its core training is in English. So for the most accurate and nuanced results, it's usually best to write your prompts in English. And you can use this amazing tool from pretty much anywhere. Use it on your computer at chat.openai.com or just download the official app to have this incredible assistant right there in your pocket. We have barely scratched the surface today. From creating custom meal plans to scripting viral videos, the possibilities are just endless. So that really only leaves one question. Now that you know how to use it, what's the very first problem you're going to solve with it?